Hi there, this is Joe Baird, and today we are doing our panels for the Fairland Sweater. What I have set up here right now is just to show you how we're going to fold the panels in half and set everything up. So as you can see, I have my panels face down, and I have the single crochet rows facing each other, and also I have a long tail for each end, so when you sew the back you have a long tail, and then when you turn it around and sew the front you have a long tail already attached to the panels. So that is what I wanted to show you in this video. Again, I have my single crochet rows together, long tails at each end, and the panels are face down or right side down and the wrong side facing up. Okay, let's move on to the next video.